I'm the big man, attorney Joey Franks, Big Man Law here in Jackson, Mississippi. And today we're going all the way up to see Judge Middleton. And Judge Middleton is cool as a cucumber, as always. But the guy that he's dealing with, well, he's got some issues. And I'm not spoiling anything. You take one look at it and you'll figure it out real quick in the first few seconds. He's got something going on.
This is file number 25838 SM, People versus Eric Richard Rain. That's you, sir?
Yes, sir.
You got charged with malicious destruction of property, over $200. It's alleged that on April 10th, you went to Jennifer Shoulder's apartment. You wanted to live there, but she didn't want you to live there, so she alleges that you punched her TV and broke it. Did several $100s worth of damage. So the prosecutor charged you with that. When was your baby born?
It's not my baby. When?
21st, about April.
April 24th.
So this was 2 weeks before your baby. Who's Jennifer Shoulders?
It's my birth mother.
What?
My
it's
birth mother.
It's your mother. Okay.
She's not my mom, but she you know what I mean?
All right. She's your biological mother?
Yeah.
Okay. Then you got charged with resisting and obstructing police officers.
Yeah. Okay, so I have a question. How do I get a resisting and obstructing if I was never told, hey, you're under arrest, or I was never trying to be under arrest, or I didn't do anything wrong? I don't understand why I got a charge for resisting and obstructing. If I wasn't never told, hey, you come here, you're under arrest, and I took off running, I understand it. Or if they try to put me in cuffs and I spun around and try to take off, I get it. But I didn't do nothing wrong.
All right, well, I'm gonna get you a lawyer and you can
for that for that RNO stuff. I do need a lawyer. I don't want to see the body cam video because
I'm gonna get you a lawyer.
I didn't do nothing wrong. I was trying to save some dude's life who wrecked on a motorcycle, and the cop was out of line. Van Dyke was out of line.
Okay.
Because he got a vendetta against me for some reason. I don't know what his problem is, but he probably should leave that at home. You know what I mean? Gotta bring that shit
I don't know enough. I don't know anything about it.
What?
But what I'm going to do, I do know that you owe me.
He keep coming at me.
Stop. I'll get a lawyer for you. You got $516 worth of unpaid fines and costs.
I know, I'm working on it.
And you got a new baby, and you're still doing foolish stuff like this.
I didn't do that, so I mean.
All right. Well,
I didn't do that. That whole case is foolish because I didn't do it.
All right. Somebody keeps posting your bond, which is good for you.
Because they know that I shouldn't be in there because it's false allegations anyway. Okay. Her TV was broke a week ahead of time. Her TV was broke a week prior before she said I did it. They did that.
All right. Well, we'll sort both of these.
She's just trying to get a new TV.
Defendant pleads not guilty to each case. On the felony, I'm gonna set a pre-exam conference.
I want to see body cam videos and all
okay.
Can I get an off singer or?
Well, you're gonna get probably Mr. Timothy George. He's very wise. He'll sort all this out, solve all your problems. Now you need to make an appointment to go see him. His office is in Sturgis. And so you've got 80 entries or more in our system. You keep doing dumb stuff.
I've been here a long time, you know. I've been here
I wouldn't mind if you didn't come back anymore.
I have a question. It's not nothing about none of this, but I had gotten into some trouble in Florida, right? Remember when I moved down to Florida on 17, I got into some trouble. I did a lot of that probation. I did 4.5. I signed a 36 months suspended sentence, but I did 4.5 years of probation. Good. I moved back up here. I relapsed, and my life went downhill. But I want to move back to Florida, but I can't because I got warrants.
Well, in here or in Florida?
In Florida.
Well, I can't help you there.
You can't. I mean, what do you think? Did they give me the whole 36 months?
I don't know the answer to that.
It was 15 years ago.
My advice would be stay out of Florida or get a lawyer to help you with it in Florida. But you also had an injury. You got hurt. You had some medical problems, didn't you?
When well, I mean.
Within the last couple of years, you were in the hospital for
In
some
the
stuff.
mental hospital, right? That we
Yeah.
talking about?
Yeah,
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I was in the cold water hospital. I was trying to get my disability, but they denied me. I'm trying to get a lawyer though.
all right. Well, you got a lot on your plate, so we're gonna get a lawyer for you. All right, you're good to go. I'll see you.
So my best guess is dollars to donuts. He's got a drug problem. He has warrants in multiple states. He's trying to work his way back down to Florida, but he's got warrants down there, it sounds like. So he's in a bind. That's all there is to it. So we are bouncing up to Judge Simpson today. And Judge Simpson, you know, we do a lot of Middleton and Simpson videos. Simpson's almost a polar opposite case study of Judge Middleton. You know, Simpson can be pretty harsh sometimes.
Court calls case People versus Floyd McFall, excuse me.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Constable based on behalf of Mr. McFall, who was present to my right. Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Floyd McFall.
Your Honor, today is the date and time set for PCC. At this time, we're going to be requesting to set this for an exam.
Discovery is complete.
To my knowledge, yes.
People have their witnesses available on the 9th.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in person, September 9th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before
Judge Middleton.
Judge Valvo. We've got. You want to address the violations now?
Yes, Your Honor. I did speak with my client about the violation. He did attempt to turn himself in twice, and he was told that there was no warrant. Him and I spoke about it in depth. He understands how serious it is. Your Honor, if the court is willing, maybe to put him on a scram tether, and he will have no further violations in this matter. He's just asking for one more chance, Your Honor.
Response from the people.
Your Honor, we have concerns about involved like including. I would note that it's not just one incident; it's two different days, and that the report of the case when Mr. McFall was questioned about the August 19th date, he admitted drinking, but then we have an August 24th date. So
And also an August 26th date. It's on, that was, you may not have, well, you should have. There was one report on August 20th, which has those two on it, I think. Maybe not. No, the 19th, and then he drank on the 24th, but then further down, he also then blew and numbers on the 26th. But there aren't any other readings because he didn't take the follow-up test.
And so, Your Honor, part of the reason that we find it concerning, believe that alcohol related involved with this, and that as far as the felonious assault charge, the alleged weapon is a wine bottle. So that's what gives us some concern. So I don't see why an alcohol tether is going to somehow ensure that Mr. McFall is with bond conditions that he seems to have violated them multiple times when he was confronted.
Well, Your Honor, in response, although a wine bottle is allegedly involved, that's because these allegations took place at a store. He was not drinking at the time. There was no, I don't believe there was an alcohol test taken at the time of arrest. So there's not really a substance abuse problem involved. And I would say that the tether would be a constant reminder that if he does end up drinking, he's going to be remanded.
So blowing into a machine doesn't do that?
Well, Your Honor, I think the tether on his leg is and I've had serious conversations with him, Your Honor. He's just asking for one more chance. He's here today. He understood that there was a warrant for his arrest. He still came in. He did try to turn himself in a couple days ago when I originally told him that there was a no bond warrant. He does want to move forward, Your Honor. He's just asking for another chance.
3 occasions. Is he in any treatment or anything at this point?
No, no. Just at my church, I don't have proof for it though, and I did sign up for AA. I took like a hour-long test on it. I just got to get into.
Okay. Well, it looks like he is working on that, Your Honor. He signed
He's
up.
working on it.
Yes, he's signed up for treatment.
Between drinks. Bond revoked, defendants remanded.
Do I agree with what Simpson did here? No. Generally speaking, locking somebody up does not benefit your constituency for the most part. I get that you want to punish people for breaking the law and things like that. I'm also a big fan of monetary punishment or putting them on a work crew or something like that that has some benefit to the county, as opposed to just locking them in where you get to pay for somebody to watch them, pay for somebody to clean the motel room, and pay for somebody to cook them 3 squares a day. But it's just my 2 cents worth. Hope you enjoyed it. I sure did. Have a good one.